Alexa, is the oven on?
It's on.
Hello, my dear friends. This is G and welcome to G Cocina. Today, I'm going to share to you my Cosori Smart Air Fryer Oven. I got this during Christmas as a gift and I really like it. I've been using it almost every day. So let's get into it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. The package comes with this Cosori packet, and you can find in here the user manual and a recipe book that I really like. Later on, we will try one of the recipes here. I'm gonna tell you later. And the user manual, it's so easy to read. Everything is here and everything is clear. And the Cosori system comes with a air fry basket, when you want to air fry, and also it comes with a wire rack. I use it when I toast bread, or you could also use for pizza. And then a food tray, when you want to bake desserts or broil or roast chicken. So you could use the food tray, and a cram tray comes with it. And there's a cooking function knob, which is so easy, and there's like 12 functions. It has I'm just gonna read it through the manual. It has the toast, the bagel, and then the pizza, and bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, and warm. And yeah, the Cosori system comes with the rotisserie handle and a rotisserie shaft. I haven't used it yet, but I bought a whole chicken because I really want to try it soon. And then it has the time and temp knob, so you could set the time and the temperature when you cook something. And one thing I really like about it is that it's smart. So I can connect it with Alexa. You have to download an app called VeSync, and it's so easy to set up. And what I like about it is that it notifies me when my food is ready, or I could ask Alexa to preheat the oven. So some stuff that you can do. And also with the app, you can find the recipes that you can find in this Cosori book. So let's get started with something to cook. And what I want to do for my dinner tonight is this sweet and spicy Korean chicken wings, because I love chicken wings. And we'll follow exactly what's the instruction here and the ingredients. Looks like I have everything. And again, you can also find this through the app, and I'm gonna show you that now. Alexa, air fry for 400 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. The chicken wings turned out so good. It's very spicy though. I really find it spicy and sweet, but I love spicy food, so I really like it. And I'm gonna make this recipe again soon because it was just so good, and the chicken wings were perfectly cooked. So yeah, I will try this again. And that's it for my video. And I think Cosori Smart Air Fryer Oven is really good. I'm glad I got it as a gift again. And I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and send me some comments. And I'll see you again soon in my next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.